Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I am in my favorite place in the entire universe, Nonna Romana's basement kitchen in Brooklyn. Nonna, say hello everybody.
Hello everybody, I'm Nonna Romana.
And what are we going to make today?
Today I gotta make a frittata, but I gotta pour
I told you just say frittata,
Yeah.
don't say anything else.
yeah, ma I want to say the mushroom and menta I gotta pour inside.
And what else?
E salsiccia.
A salsiccia. You know,
It's
guys,
very good.
this actually came about, true story, this recipe was an accident because, you know, as you guys know, I am newly married and there are some nights when I don't know what to make. So one day I called up Nonna, I was like, Nonna, what should I make this guy? What am I going to feed him? And she's like, look inside the refrigerator. What do you have? And I said, oh, I got a pack of sausage. I got a couple packs of mushrooms. I got some mint. She goes, you have eggs? I say, yeah, I got eggs. You have cheese? Of course I have cheese. You know, I'm me. And she goes, you make a frittata. And just like that, we made this beautiful frittata recipe together. I mean, it was like over the phone, but it was still together. So I feel like that counts. So we are going to show you guys how I made this delicious frittata with sausage and mushrooms and mint.
Yeah.
And it's going to be so
For
good.
frittata, the menta special.
Yeah, the
very
menta
good.
special
Yeah.
for frittata. You need it.
Yeah.
So we're going to turn around and we're going to show you how we start making this frittata. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to put some oil, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And we're going to get our pan nice and hot. Okay. We're going to get the pan hot and then we're going to start sauteing the sausage. Okay. So now we're going to get all our sausage in here. This is sweet sausage, but you could use hot sausage if you want to. Whatever you have. That's the theme of this frittata. Whatever you have. The whatever you have frittata. But this way it came out really good.
I am excited. I want to test now.
So we're just going to brown the sausage. You don't have to worry about cooking it all the way through because then this is going to be cooked in the oven. And once it's brown, we're going to go ahead and throw in the mushrooms. Okay, so as this is sauteing, you want to start breaking it up into smaller pieces with your wooden spoon. As small as you can get them, but don't go crazy. Okay, now we got to put in the mushrooms. Here you go, Nonna. So we got our mushrooms going in here. And we got two kinds. We got some baby portobello mushrooms. And we also have shiitake mushrooms because I had some that day that I made this. And I used them. And it was really good. But you can mix up the mushrooms. You can use all portobello if you like. But I just really found that the shiitake mushrooms just added so much flavor to this. And the thing that is so great is that you can really do this with anything. A frittata is just one of those things you keep in the house. You kind of can snack on it all day. It could be hot, served cold, served however you want to eat it. I love it. And I'm actually going to let the mushrooms brown a little bit before I add salt because you don't want to draw too much water out of the mushrooms too quick.
Rossella, you gotta pour a little more oil.
Maybe just a little bit more.
Yeah.
Another.
Little, not too much. All right.
Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of salt.
Not too much.
I know, not too much, not too much. Oh, gosh. Let's put it in here. I got so much salt. It happens. Sorry.
Look good.
Looks so good, right?
Oh yeah, you gotta be okay. Very good.
So, so good. Now you want to give the mushrooms another minute, and then we're going to let this cool off. Okay. So now we're going to let this cool off, and we're going to start to mix up the rest of the ingredients for la frittata. So now we are ready to assemble the rest of our frittata, and these are the rest of the ingredients. We have some garlic, some mint, some extra virgin olive oil, some pecorino, parmigiano, some pepper, some salt, and some eggs. We're actually going to use all 12 of those eggs, believe it or not.
Okay.
Okay? You going to break the eggs?
Yeah, sure.
I'm going to start adding the cheeses. And what's great about this is that it's kind of a big frittata. So if you have leftovers, like I said before, hot, cold, morning, nighttime, there's no bad time for a frittata. And I'm also going to start to chop up the mint. Now we're going to use all of this mint. It's a lot of mint, I know, but this is where all the flavor is coming from. I mean, that day, I just had this a thing of mint this size, and I used it, and it came out amazing. Okay. Start mixing up our eggs.
Yeah, I know.
Add the garlics. Now, for the complete recipe, full list of ingredients, just head to cookingwithnonna.com. We have it all spelled out there. We're also going to pour in the EVOO. This is going to be so good, so comforting, so cheesy, and delicious. And I'm just going to add a little pinch more of salt. Not too much. And a little bit of black pepper. And now I think that we're ready to add in our now cooled sausage and mushrooms. I gotta get all the mushrooms out of this pan, otherwise no one's gonna have a fit. Okay. Oh wow, hello. This looks good. Okay, so our frittata, oh wait, there's stuff on the spoon, guys. I don't you wanna scrape this off with the spoon? Even the back of the spoon we gotta scrape.
Okay.
Amazing. So we're going to start oiling this 12-inch pan. Just take some oil, and if you have a pastry brush or something, just brush it nice. Make sure the frittata does not stick. Just a little bit more. Now, I know this is a frittata, but we're actually going to bake this because frying, who wants to fry anymore? I mean, sometimes I love fried stuff, believe me, but, your hair smell, everything gets a little messy. This, you pop it in the oven, and it's kind of going to oven fry itself. It's so, so good. And just a tiny, tiny bit more because I'm nervous, but. Okay. Now we got to pour inside here. Okay.
Immagino come sarà buono, tutta roba buona.
She says it's got to be good because we put all good stuff in here, so it's got to be good, right?
Yeah, sure. Gotta be good, very good.
Okay, so now we're just gonna make sure everything is nice in here. Okay, so this is ready to go into a 400-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven, basically until it's nice and golden brown on top. Then it's totally ready and it's going to be delicious. So we will see you when it's all baked. Oh my goodness, how beautiful does our frittata look? What do you think, Nonna?
Oh yeah, they look too good. I can't wait because I want to test.
Nonna had her doubts about this one. She was afraid it was going to like overflow in the oven. I told her, listen, I made it before, but you know, she had to check all the time. She was looking in the oven like this the whole 45 minutes it was in there. So let's just cut into it and prove to her that it is done. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
This looks so good. It smells amazing. It's still hot, so I'm going to hold on to it like this. Ugh, I could totally tell it's got this gorgeous crust.
Very good.
Ooh, that looks nice, huh?
They look nice. They cook very well. Huh?
They cook very well.
Yeah.
I told you. You never listen to me.
Oh,
I'm kidding.
why you never listen to me?
Why you no listen to me?
You know, I do a lot of things together, and you say never listen to you. Come on.
I'm just saying, like, you know, she doesn't trust me 100% in the kitchen yet. Ah, look at this bite. This is a nice bite.
Sure.
You want to
start.
taste?
No, you take.
Okay, I taste. Okay, but I make for you too. How do you think?
Thank you.
So good.
So good. Yeah.
You really taste all that mint we put in. We put in a lot of mint, but you taste it. It's all here. You taste the mushrooms, the sausage, and this baby, when it's cold, is like 10 times better. You know, when it's cold and it's midnight and you're standing up in front of the fridge and you just start eating, you know, things happen. But the next day, a frittata is like 10 times better. That's why they make them for like Easter, and then the day after Easter when they have La Pasquetta, the little picnic,
Very good. I love
they
it.
take the frittata because it's better the next day. But I like a frittata any day, night, you know, weekends, happy hour, whatever.
Very good. I love it.
Came out okay.
Yeah. I'm good.
Well, we got some frittata to eat, guys. Nonna, thank you for being my nonna today and every day.
Thank you. Thank you for you. I love you.
I love you too. Say bye-bye, everybody. We'll see you next time, and thank you for watching.
Bye.